Does the Opel Astra J have ISOFIX? Yes, the Opel Astra J from 2009 to 2015 typically comes equipped with ISOFIX child seat mounting points on the two outer rear seats as standard in most models. This system allows for secure and easy installation of compatible child car seats, enhancing child safety. We'll cover what ISOFIX is and its benefits. In the Opel Astra J, the ISOFIX anchor points are located on the left and right rear seats. You can usually find them by pulling back a small cover to expose the metal loops. The center rear seat typically does not have ISOFIX. The Astra J's ISOFIX system is compatible with a wide range of ISOFIX child seats, from Group 0 Plus, infant carriers, to Group 3, booster seats. Check your child seat's compatibility label. To confirm your specific Astra J model has ISOFIX, check the rear seats for the ISOFIX markings or labels. Consult your vehicle's owner's manual for detailed information and the exact location of the anchor points. A visual inspection will quickly confirm if the loops are present. You can also perform a VIN check with Opel or a trusted mechanic. Here's a graphic showing the ISOFIX locations in the Opel Astra J on the rear outer seats. Installation is straightforward. First, locate the ISOFIX anchor points on the rear outer seats of your Astra J. Attach the ISOFIX connectors on your child seat to these points until they click into place. Many seats also utilize a top tether strap which hooks to an anchor point, typically on the rear shelf or seat back. Ensure the seat is firmly secured and doesn't move excessively. Always refer to your child seat's manual and your vehicle's manual for proper installation instructions. ISOFIX offers several key advantages for child safety in vehicles like the Opel Astra J. First, ISOFIX reduces the risk of installation errors compared to seat belts. Studies show that 70 to 80% of child seats are installed incorrectly when using only seat belts, but ISOFIX's standardized system makes proper installation much more straightforward. Second, ISOFIX creates a more secure and rigid connection between the child seat and the vehicle. This enhances safety during a crash by distributing forces more evenly throughout the seat structure, significantly reducing the risk of the child being ejected from the seat. Third, ISOFIX makes installing and removing child seats much quicker and easier compared to traditional seatbelt methods. The standardized clips provide a secure fit without the complexity of threading seatbelts correctly. In the Opel Astra J, ISOFIX is available on the rear outer seats, providing secure anchor points for child seats on both the left and right sides. The Opel Astra J earned a prestigious 5-star rating from Euro NCAP, the leading independent automotive safety organization. Euro NCAP crash tests thoroughly evaluated the Astra J's safety systems, including how well ISOFIX protects child occupants during various impact scenarios. The Astra J achieved an 82% score for child occupant protection in the 2010 Euro NCAP tests, demonstrating ISOFIX's effectiveness in securing child seats properly and preventing injuries. ISOFIX anchors are located on the rear outer seats of the Astra J, providing secure attachment points for compatible child seats. These results highlight how ISOFIX technology significantly improves child safety by reducing the risk of improper installation and enhancing protection in crashes.